Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both units and your phone. This saves time and prevents pairing errors. Power on the Cardo units, charge them to full, and open the Cardo Connect app. Once done, put the units into pairing mode by pressing the main button until the LED flashes. This tells the units to advertise themselves. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is enabled, then add the device in the app. This first pairing establishes a secure link, so future connects are automatic. Once units are paired to phones, create the mesh. Cardo calls it only way mode. Inside the app, this organizes devices into a resilient network. You add riders by sending invites or pressing pair on each helmet unit while they are close. The mesh automatically routes audio between members. Make sure to assign a leader if you want route or phone call priority. This controls who can override. Also, check audio mixing and priority settings so radio, phone, and intercom behave as you expect. You finish by validating the network with a test ride simulation. Speak at normal volume and ride at intended speeds to verify clarity. If you hear dropouts, first reboot and reinitiate the mesh. Sometimes recreating the group while units are slightly separated fixes interference. Make sure firmware is current and the app has required permissions. If problems persist, adjust microphone gain and helmet placement. Often shifting the mic a few millimeters cures wind noise and restores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.